Adishima ba Ghana for me church and whatever for the case so. And then minimum ever between come after fix the country I also work my Ghana. But who say Ghana for be ekasa Oba Manonia Ghana for be ekasa be Canadian for my Ghana. As you see, a minimum can say there, maybe we'll Kuwait or my Kuwait, and I'm a war. Now, but who say me bra ideas man? My share the videos I follow the comments of Facebook. I want to say, or you against the fix the country demonstration at course we. I don't know. Ideas man, me bra penini. Meaning, so or you against of and Krofona or Molidi fix the country demonstration now. And only different from you going against fix the country demonstration. Because Ninti America say, I was saying my Ghana 40 years here. Ghana 40 years here say, oh my Ghana, I can't achieve here. You know, you welcome to the Biamekasa, for example, baby, I am a war, or my amimi home to see a war and a medium phantom or my Ghana. Ghana, nya independence in 1956. Now, oh my friend of Kuwait. Now a desert. Now a full desert. Good. From 1956 to 2001. Untimi mfa o my Ghana ento to Kuwait ho. Ghana nya independent. Na Dubai a desert. And now untimi mfa Ghana ento to Dubai ho. Ghana nya independent. Na Qatar a desert. And now untimi mfa Ghana ento to Qatar ho. I am talking about Arab Gulf because Arab countries in there yenimuye pa. Nienti amin pese me brad yes man be go against fix a country in the say. Uni o my Ghana mu who are contu. I also bisa ho question back one na mienu bi ansa na wako against fix the country demonstration na course we. Me de niam manage hu no say Ghana for Ghana de share almost sorry say omo pese omo kasa. Na Ghana penny for Musa near Cosono, and Koyi, or one fix or man, or a true. Ah, particular Bia Mamma Framuno, and Unqua and a Yamanije. Because Yama and this in MPP not did a team to the extent say, Ghana form penocraty. Yamra my Kuwait, Yanko Dubai, Yanko Qatar. Ghana this year, and there, you granny from my Ghana Muninano, Arab Gulf na ye Graneba, Europe and a ye Graneco. Chrome higher yeti, Kuwait higher yeti. Ideas man, me bra ideas man, but didn't want dance here. Kuwait, omuni natural resources than Ghana. Me bra ideas man, nimbe dia dance here. Chrome ha, a duabia fifi chrome here piano, pipe na dance here. Me bra ideas man, nimbe dia dance here. Cement I had sit down. Yes, so cheap, a chrome moi, our motocron bar, Bontino Mudiku. Cement I had sit down. Ewo krum ha cement baakon endru 30 cedis ewo krum ha sei. Cement baakon endru 25 cedis ewo krum ha sei. Cement baakon. Good. Krum hai ye kase Ghana mpanyimfo fix o man no. Me mpese me bride yes man be go against fix the country demonstration. Nemo me pese otena sei. Na oye penyini minim ni yie pa oyobia like na dwimu do nti me pese me brothers man adwin ko akiri Chrome has security agencies yam police yanko police me brothers man you are aware Kuwait high way police for lucky bibia wo Chrome has police for her car police for e patrol omaimu na hwe omakatua omje awo omaimu police ni efie bia Chrome ha police wo fie bia mu because of what akatua pa omujinti Chrome ha adishia omo Chrome ha empenyimfo at the mra atoto akwa mu a ama Chrome ha Kuwait ha ye wei adishia omo Chrome say Chrome fo obi afo so obeko police Kuwait ha ye wo empenyimfo the normal atoto akwa mu ama investors ba o man day in and out she adwuma bu abu o man mu me hume brothers man comment bi on Facebook seriously mani anje ho o say open adwuma kwana ko bisa o ma me no papa na enye aban na e wo so bisa no like seriously bride yes man obi anto aba ma ne ma me ne papa o e na obi anso ne ho asabi oni ma me ne papa be gina asimpie so se mo nto aba ma me na metimi abo ama adwuma ba o ma enum never empenyimfo o mu yi o mu si ho se o metimi abo ama o ma na tumpon no sa empenyimfo na be gina yenim ka kire yen se mo ma yetumi no na yemmoa na mo nso mu ndiye Chrome higher education system, ideas man. Ghana is sinking day in and out. Ghana is sinking day in and out. It's high time, especially ya yewa kwantu mu. Yen nyina ye ma yadwen nya baako na yen kasa na mpanyimfo no hu se Ghana enko yie eno ma agiegu na omum fix oman no. Right, yes man. Chrome higher education system. Chrome ha obi a oye disabled. Ewo Chrome ha bia no akwala bia o ye disable ewo Chrome ha bia no aban na hwe no disability so mo Kuwait ha nyina aban omuko school aban na tue omu school fees one disabled child ewo Chrome ha unim school fees ewo Chrome ha one disabled child unim school fees ewo Chrome ha say omu say MPs neji say ewo parliament ma ye adwuma wo school pay ma ye adwuma ewo school ewo Chrome ha pay me brother this man Chrome ha education system mahunu se why video bi a wo ka se Chrome ha na Britain for wo school ha Britain e wo school ha US e wo school ha Indians e wo school ha good but do you know their school fees unim sika obutua mo so mo ma be ko school because omo ti Chrome ha na omo ma na ye ko school etua sa school fees no omo nya adwuma pa ye omo nya adwuma enya katua pa one disabled ewo school ewo Chrome say ne maame anana wofo entua the school fees so aban ene tua enti se omo ntua no omo ntua nti se ne Ghana etua school fees no dabi minimum tua one term say minimum tua more than 200-300 million ewo Chrome say 30,000 25,000 40,000 disabled sika omutua no school ma the Chrome high say omo education system bride yes man yentena sene yembisa won say Arab for man na omo Chrome ha na Arab for man na omo de na omo kuro na omo na omo kunum te no Arab ni bad Arab for man do sen ana asore Arab for my wa do sen ana asore afa omo bag abo omo kon say ye ko bi man so akwa bobra akwa ye housemaid ye sore na ye ko bi man so ko di housemaid. Just look at the comfortable life people are living. She life a man for living e wo Chrome say she life a omo de no kuro no omo living e wo Chrome na fa toto o my Ghana the way ye nua no ma no ye yere no ye maame no e dwane firi o my Ghana mu aba Arab country so ombe ya akwa na hwe kwan omo de omo nam so na ye hwe kwan omo de omo fa so ye se omo fix o man na ye minimum is against fix the country. No. Right, yes man. We ye me bra penina minimum ye pa. Men person will go against this fix the country. Nana Akufo-Addo on no Ghana men penina. Nti se we e si woni penso a on tenase no mfa nkwa adwindwimu no fix your mind no on fix your mind. Ghana a fixed country a and Kayenya come to able to say we are going to create business somewhere, or we will travel for businesses. Yen too kind and better be my so. Look at Arabians. Kuwait, how we say Kuwait in Libya to say me call you can go travel on the business or expecting the business. Or we expecting the business. But so many son ever Chrome here. Chrome had this share in our account issue. They share the national cake according to themselves. Chrome ha Kolabia oko school biano aban hwe se obeko school abedi papa mama yenka no kro o my Ghana bibia nko yi ye no nyina o Chrome ha day in and out contractor said na kwan so e belti okwan every day aban e create opportunities esisi supermarket wo bebia kumwa janhwe sene omo aban de omo system na to akwan mu a citizens no enjoy life. And it is sometimes we don't have to blame them. Their leadership is the perfect one for them. Amwa ban no omo mpanyimfo no hwe se omo adehia mo omo firi krom ha no ho beto mo all the time. Right, yes man. And yen Ghana for no yenye nipa se yenso ye mpanyimfo betimi di normal to akwan ma ye ho ato ya na. We Ghana for go goodbye. We Ghana for ego Kuwait. We yan ego Saudi Arabia. Yan ye dwane ko Qatar. Up there in and now Ghana for enam nsuo so adwane free omanum. Investors eba omamu a krom ha he shop ben open okrom ha. Just mention shop ben open okrom ha unya. How many Arabians, how many Kuwaitis are omo ye adwuma? Kuwait for do sen ena yi omo hansi so be ye adwuma. Aje mako. Aje mako na say I have to work. Onyaka say I have to work or I have to work. Opportunity nso no ho ma no obi abisa nse why na so ma ho. Okoduru say me pa adwuma o ha say ya obi abisa na say why na so ma ho. Why na and why so na wo ba ha. Government have to fix Ghana. Right, yes man. Me pesa o tena say na o ti normal na o hwe normal mu ye hunu say Ghana bibia say wo man Ghana mu. A man for Ghana government crop so are you so happy to say or you so happy to the extent say on him say on timin chinin ko ba bia no obi ti say Ghana man panyini na bedi akire ministers amogu ho omunye hwe omoche ho omunye hwe abosomi so a omuti sika kese dugu o account mu and the social media aboa ama Ghana de hye atimi sore eko video baby e ho asay e de beto internet so this should we and a opportunity krama government. So when say Ghana they say biako video school bi school we I say school kola nya baby amunya konya so ntana so to so mko fia. Now I can fix it. You are fixing everything. No mom and no my Ghana o so say o ka Ghana sema say o my is thinking you have become the enemy. Meaning if my brother's man is against Abraham bin Moshe or is against Okatachi Afrifa or is against Captain Smart or is against I don't know. But nyempese me brother's man eti ase say. Me want a number. Man for be share video na ka say. Who want a number? I brother ntina ka on friend no. Me ye video na ma me brother who say. This me friend anya nsem nya we ntimi ka we nyina kire no because we are all busy these days. Enti onya video no hwa ideas man. Tena say. Na hwe so my Ghana enko yi. Can I say now who say Ghana pay you for a dia bro? Share your hospitals. Share your hospitals. Share your hospitals. Ghana ni e yare kidney. E wo kroma say. Ghana ni o yare kidney e wo kroma or kidney debe e wo kroma say. Ya ye ni bia so nko man Ghana so nko. Okọ Ghana okọ ko ndi onko. Kroma Dr. Shen da. Dr. Shen date. A Shen month, weeks. Every time I was at the hospital, no more channel, or more treatino. Or call Ghana to see a quack. And no man kitten, you was a Ghana sika, and the yet yama or my Ghana, a yet a yan fahudiama Ghana for 8 minutes, young or Majumano. No, our politicians are thinking of themselves. Selfishness. And the brothers man was that video now, Sha. Me pese utanase. Now hwe no mamu ehunu say Ghana mpanyimfo abro ehye omumu na oman Ghana no omunye omadwe say omeboa ma oman Ghana tumpon o ka say Ghana mpanyimfo nim say e wo so omukriti adwuma o ka say Ghana omuntu kwan Ghana mpanyimfo ntu kwan tambia omuntu kwan na samenu tukrom ha na ye hwe sene oman Kuwait mpanyimfo de no ma toto akwan mu na omo adehye krom ha adehye timi sore etim de nkrata akeke ekoto ka ye yi oman sika akoto ama MPs krom adehye be yi ni civil ID keke e de akoto ase atua kakra fa car no otwi no okruma bosumi bia na akotua kakra bosumi bia na akotua kakra yentimi live life like that yentimi and live life sa bibia is so easy e okrom ha e makroma for because of what? Good leadership. Yeah, bre nti brothers man saka video na ohwa me pese o trase na ohwe no mamu yie enhwe omo di fix the country demonstration nanim so woni obi o issue a eno e different from near koso o my Ghana mu seriously so woni omo di anim either Captain Smart Katachi Afrifa Abraham Bemoshe or whatsoever omo di anim no they are not the problem. The message is the problem. The message na omo de ba no message na enam monten so no message no e na nyina ye follow Ghana for mo akwantum me pese mo ye madwun yi na mo nhwe o man Ghana na mo nhwe atete mo nam akwantum ka mo ofia ka mo fa sa atete no mo seriously things are not working good no man koyi o man Ghana mu it's high time say nyina as a Ghana for ye sorry na ye kasa yam bring it out with one voice na Ghana pinyu fo mu say ye ni abre no mo nye ne etene no mo nim ne wo so mo ye on saka video na international share video no na nka me brides man share video no na nka me brides man no nya video na hwe na ne me kai no de hodwuma na nkopo hwe obi a no nya me kase me da mase